What if the greatest test humanity will ever face is approaching, and the warning signs were laid out centuries ago? The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, did not leave his ummah in the dark. Every prophet warned his followers about the one-eyed liar, Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal. Here is the detailed description of his physical appearance to recognize him when he appears, along with their authentic references. 1. The one-eyed defect. The most prominent physical sign of Dajjal is his eye condition. The Prophet made it crystal clear to prevent any confusion. Allah is not one-eyed, whereas Al-Masih Ad-Dajjal is blind in his right eye, and his eye looks like a protruding grape. Reference: Sahih al-Bukhari, 3439. 2. The word Kafir on his forehead. To ensure that no believer is deceived by his false claims, Allah has inscribed a clear identifier on him. On Dajjal's forehead will be written the letters KFR, Kafir/disbeliever. The Prophet explained that every Muslim, whether literate or illiterate, will be able to read it. Reference: Sahih al-Bukhari, 7131. 3. Physical build and complexion. Narrations describe Dajjal as a young man of short stature, heavily built, with curly hair and bow-legged. Furthermore, it is authentically reported that he is sterile and will never have any children. Reference: Sunan Abu Dawud, 4321. How prepared are we for the trials of the end times? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more authentic reminders.